something like that. And then the next one
Abba.
is also a closed syllable, and there's no way you would know that unless you had it like that. Give it another try. Well done, and that means father. And let me give you the syllables first here. Whoops, that's not what I had in mind to do. And once. How about this one, Gideon? Beautiful. Katon.
Yeah.
That means the youngest.
Katon.
Next, kindly.
Okay.
Yom. Well done.
Yom.
And that means day. And let me give you the vowels. Bear with me for just one moment. Whoops. Okay, give this one a try kindly.
Araj.
Let me hear that last consonant. Which consonant is that?
Araj.
There you go, Aretz. Very nice. And that means land. So our job as Hebrew detectives is to spot these words. For example, let's try and find ach, the word ach, in the verse. Can we see the word ach in the verse?
Yeah.
Okay.
The first line, the last word.
Well done. So we described the instance as the first line, the last word. And we've learned also in previous lessons that the yud mem, the chirik yud mem, im, is a sign of the masculine plural. So if ach is brother, we know that achim is brothers, plural.
Brothers.
Well done. Let's try another one. How about the second word, av? Can we find the instance of av in our verse?
Yes. The second line, the second word from the right hand side.
Well done. Beautiful. So we have the location as the second line, second word. And not only do we have av, yes, kindly.
And also the third line, the very last word. Very last word,
right,
yeah?
Right.
Yeah.
So we have added to the word as a suffix inu, and this means our. It's the possessive plural our. So av plus inu, avinu, means our father. For example, the Lord's Prayer, if you translated the first two words, Avinu Sheba Shemayim, our Father who is in heaven, Avinu Sheba Shemayim, would be an example of Avinu. Good. Now, we don't have it upstairs, but do we recognize a number in the third word? Do we recognize a number?
Yes. Echad.
Haha. I knew you couldn't resist, Joseph. I knew you couldn't resist. Well done, brother. Well done. And we've learned in previous lessons that ha means the. So ha echad would give us the one. Let's continue our detective work, Gideon, and Joseph, give Gideon the chance here. This word, kindly read it once more and let's find it in the verse, Gideon.
Katon.
Well done, Katon. Can we find the instance of Katon in our verse?
Yes. The third line,
Right.
first one.
Beautiful. And we've learned in previous lessons that the means and ha, right, and ha means the. So the ha katon would give us and the youngest.
Yeah, I'm the youngest, yeah.
Right. Likewise with yom, we can find an instance of yom.
Yom, the third line, second
Right.
one.
Hayom would then give us what? Joseph, do you want to help us? Hayom.
Yes, the day.
The day. Well done.
The day, yeah.
Well done. And then we have Avinu, our father. And then in the last line, we have our word Eretz, which is of the same origin as Aretz, which is land. Do we recall the meaning of bi? Do we recall the meaning of bi?
Inte.
This in, right. So bi Eretz, the Eretz Canaan would mean in the land of Canaan. So Joseph, would you be so kind as to read our verse, and then Maria will give us the translation.
Yes. Shneim Ashar.
Careful with your shins.
Shneim Asar.
Nice.
Anach Nu.
Beautiful. Anachnu.
Achim.
Achim. Well pronounced. Continue kindly.
Bnei.
Try the first. I don't hear the bet. Somehow I didn't hear the bet. B'nei.
Bnei.
Nice.
Avinu.
Beautiful. B'nei Avinu.
Echad.
Beautiful. Ha'echad.
Einenu.
Beautiful. Einenu. Continue. Or actually, let me give Gideon a chance on on these last two lines so that we all have a chance to pronounce. Gideon, kindly give us the rest of the Hebrew.
Okay. The hakaton.
The hakaton, very nice.
Hayom. Avinu.
Beautiful. Et Avinu.
Be'eretz. Canaan.
Just very nice, guys. Just very nice. And Maria, would you kindly give us the translation, the English translation? We are 12.
We are 12 brethren, sons of our father. One is not, and the youngest is this day with our father in the land of Canaan.
Beautiful. Well done. So I continue to think, Ezron, you'll discover that giving some of the vocabulary and then some of the grammar that relates to the Hebrew verse gives us a lot of opportunities to learn Hebrew and also to connect, obviously, with the biblical verse. So again, Ezron, I'm very excited. I think we are all excited to have you with us and to making good progress. You'll be ready for Dalet and Seirei drill the next time, and then you'll find that you advance very quickly. Because nice work today, Joseph and Gideon. Day by day, the Hebrew just continues continues to improve. It's wonderful to see. So that's all I have for you today. I wish you all a good day or good night, as the case may be.
Same,
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
All right.
same to you.
Bye.
Thank you, brother.
Bye-bye all.
Bye-bye.